Hello, welcome back to another video tutorial here at GeekatPlay Studios. My name is Gary Miller. I got an email today by a fella who wanted to know, how do you align two objects on their center axes? And he gave an example of using a sphere and a cube, and what if you want one object to be centered with another one? So to illustrate this very simply, let's really offset these to show you the magnitude of the problem that we're facing. The simplest way to understand how to solve the problem is to understand that each of these objects has their own location in 3D space. And that location that each object has in 3D space is represented by its numeric value along its x, y, and z axis. So my cube, for example, is at -5 along the x-axis. It's at 12 over here along the y-axis, and it's sitting at 13 something or other along the z-axis, which is to and from. So I want this object to be centered with that object. Well, there's several ways we can go about doing that. We can zero everything out like that, and do the same thing with our sphere, and that will center both objects in the center of my 3D space here. But let's suppose that this sphere is part of a larger object or model, and the sphere has to stay exactly where it is. It can't move. And I've created this cube over here that I want to add onto this sphere, and I want it to be centered onto where the sphere is. Well, again, each object shares its own unique location here in 3D space. So what I want to do is I want to take this cube and give it the exact same x, y, and z values as this sphere. So I'll click on the sphere, copy the x position, click on my cube, hit delete, paste that number, click on my sphere, copy the y value, paste that in here, hit enter, and then on my sphere it's sitting at 0, so come back to my cube and I'll zero this out, and now both objects share the same location based on their center axes. So that's a quick way to realign both objects at once, or realign one object to another. So that's it for this Hexagon tutorial. Thanks for watching here at GeekatPlay Studios. My name's Gary Miller. Have a good day.